Hello everyone, welcome back to Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, I will give you the solution of the question which I asked in last video. So the question was that you have to make a simple calculator which will calculate on two numbers. Okay? And you have to ask the input from user. So here, let's make a new file, solution3.py. Okay? Now, here we will write num1 equals to int input, and we will ask enter number 1, or you can write enter first number. Okay, that's your choice. Okay, and here let's change this to 2 and enter second number. So guys, I've already told you how to take input from user in my previous videos. So if you haven't checked out that video, I will give the link in the description box. So now I will ask for the operator, and here I will write input enter the operator. Okay, okay, now we will use if statements. Okay, so if operator is equals to plus. Okay, so guys, we use this sign to compare values in Python. Okay, whether it is equal or not. Now if operator is equals to plus, so we will write here print. Here we will use f strings. Okay, the answer is, and inside curly brackets we will write num1 plus num2, and just like this we will work on other operators as well. Okay, so here let's give minus, and here let's give multiplication and division. Here let's give else statement. Okay, so if we will write here if, so it will check all the conditions whether the first condition is true or the second condition is true. Okay, it will check all the conditions, so we do not want that, so we will write here elif. Okay, elif, right? So if this condition will be true, it will not check any of these conditions. Okay, so here let's give minus, multiplication, division, and here we will give mode, or let's use this again, sorry, copy and paste. Here let's give mode. Okay, and in else block we will write else print invalid input, invalid input. Suppose if the user entered any wrong operator, so it will print invalid input. Okay, so let's execute our program. Enter the first number, let it be 2. Enter the second number, let it be 3. And operator to be plus. The answer is 5. Okay, let's execute again. Let's give the first number to be 4 and second number to be 3 and operator to be minus. The answer is 1. And here let's give 2 and 6, the operator to be multiplication. The answer is 12. Okay, now if I write here 6 and 3 and division, so it will be 2.0. And if I write here 5, 2 and let's give the mode. See, the answer is 1. If we divide 5 by 2, the remainder will be 1. Okay, so this is the solution of the question. I will give the link of this code in the description box. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.